My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen California camper. This vehicle has done just over 50,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of the kitchen area, which is complete with a fridge, cooker and sink. Moving on to our first double bed, as we'll be able to see from the pictures, that is what it transforms into, as well as being in 2 belted seats. And we have our foldable table giving us a dining area. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we can get quick access to radio, media, app connect, telephone, navigation and our vehicle. If you put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, and if we pan the camera around we can get a good view of the pop top, making this camper 4 berth, 4 belts. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.